Hello students, with continuation to the video lecture 1 model number 5, we have been discussed this total fuel cost of around 80 rupees for different gradients, which is traveled in different gradients of different kilometers, and remaining cost that may be involved in vehicle operating cost that considered to be tire cost. The tire cost is considered as a 950 rupees per tire, and there are 4 numbers of tires, and that will be equal to 4 into 950. That gives the total cost total cost of the tire. And before that total cost of the tire, we should know that how much kilometer that particular tire can run into its life. So that means adopting an average economical running speed here. Average economical running speed is adapting based on the content which we have considered in this previous fuel cost, right? That fuel cost is considered to be for economical speed, and based on that economical speed, that is considered to be a 42 kilometer per hour is considered to be an economical speed, that is average. And the tire life of a good pavement, the pavement condition is been given as a good in question, right? And the tire life on good pavement condition is considered to be, we need to refer this graph. So in this graph we have running speed and a tire life in 1000 kilometers that is given, and for running speed is considered for economical speed, that is 42 kilometer per hour, and for good pavement condition. So we need to erect our this line to cut this good pavement surface once it is reached, and then that will be erected same to the y-axis, and this y-axis will give you tire life in 1000 kilometers, and it is readed out as 32,000 kilometers, and it will be 35 here, 30, 35 and 40, and in between 30 and 35 it is around rated as 32,000 kilometers. The same thing, 32,000 kilometer is written by referring the graph of 14.2 here. So now we know that the total length of, that is total life of a tire, each tire is for 32,000 kilometers, and we know that the total cost of 4 tires, each tire cost about 950 rupees, and that is what we need to consider per kilometer, how much total cost will be involved. So 950 into 4 is the total cost of the tire, and 32,000 kilometers is the total length that can be traveled in the life of these 4 tires, and that is considered for 100 kilometers, and here it will be about 11.88 kilometer 11.88 rupees per kilometers. It is for per kilometers we have to consider. And this is about tire cost. For tire cost we have to refer the chart number 14.2. and time cost for vehicle. In the question it is given as time cost. Time cost rupees is given as 3 rupees using the time cost curve, that is figure number 14.3. For 3 rupees per vehicle hour, the cost of per vehicle hour at 42 kmph. This 42 kmph is considered because we have already considered this speed as a average economical speed. Right here, whatever we have considered the kilometer speed, kilometer per hour, that is considered to be an average speed, and in this question the average speed is computed as 42 kmph, and here 16 paisa is observed in the chart number 14.3. let us see that. So here it is given in 14.3 chart, time cost per vehicle in kilometers. So that we have considered the 42 kilometer of speed for 3 rupees. The vehicle per hour is been given in the question, right? And that will be erected to the 3 rupees curve here, and same thing is directly measured from y-axis. So here it is 10, and it is 15 here. Here it is 10, it is 15, that means here it is 12.5. 15, and it is 17.5, and it is 20, and it is in between 12.5 and 15, and that may be measured. Then that may be measured about 14 paisa. That may be measured about 14 paisa. Right here you can measure 14 paisa. Right. So here in the question, it may in this there is a mistake. We have to consider 14 paisa for 42 kmph, and the time cost. This is 14 paisa per kilometer, and we have total 100 kilometer of travel length, and this total will be 14 rupees per kilometer. It is 14 paisa, and total for 100 kilometer it will be 14 rupees. And next one is additional cost for stopping, and in the question they have given the vehicle is stopped in 3 stages: 10 stops with no delay, and 5 stops with 45 seconds delay, and 4 stops with 60 seconds delay. And how much cost will be applied for each stop, that will be measured by observing the chart number 14.4 here. So here in 14.4, the additional operation cost per stop is been given. Right here, for particular speed we have no standing delay, that means no stops, and there is different particular times is given for a curve, and that particular curve is directed to the y-axis, and will be measured with operating cost per stop in paisa. Right here in this question we have 10 stops without any delay, so that for economical speed, again we need to consider economical speed of 42 kmph. This economical speed is considered to no standing delay, and that is directed to y-axis, and that is considered to be here around 13 to 14 paisa. The same thing is written here, that is 14 paisa, and 10 stops, one stop cost with 14 paisa, and 10 stops cost with 10 into 14. 10 into 14 paisa, that will be given with 1.4 rupees. Similarly, for 45 seconds of delay, how much? For 45 seconds of delay it is 30, and it is around here, and it is directed to here, and that 15 it is 20, and it is 17.5, will be around 17.5, and that is considered 18 paisa. 17.5, or that may be rounding up to 18 paisa. 18 paisa per stop, and that will be, there are 5 stops, and each stop cost with 18 paisa, and we will be end up with 0.9 rupees or 90 paise. 0.9 rupees or 90 paise. And similarly we have 4 stops with 60 seconds delay. Those 60 seconds delay is been given, and the same thing is directed to the 60 seconds delay, and then that will be directed back to y-axis, and you will be given with 19 paise, right? And that 19 paise is been written here. 4 stops with 19 paise. There are 4 stops, and each stop cost with 19 paise, and you will be end up with 76 paisa or 0.76 rupees. Once you sum up these, you will be end up with 3.06 rupees. That is the cost for stopping, additional stopping of vehicle. And then remaining is depreciation cost. This depreciation cost is given in the question as 5 paise per kilometers, and there are total 100 kilometers. 100 into 5 paise, 100 into 5 paise, that will be given with 5 rupees. 100 into 5 paise, and that will be given with 5 rupees. That is the total depreciation cost. So now this much is been asked in the question, that is problem number 1. And the total vehicle operation cost for 100 km of speed, including fuel cost, tire cost, and that is, it is a fuel cost, it is tire cost, and time cost per vehicle, and then additional cost for stopping, and then depreciation cost, and total will be summed up. And economical speed, if you operate your vehicle with economical speed as 42 kmph, and the total vehicle operating cost for 100 km will be 113.29 rupees. So this is how we have to calculate the total vehicle operating cost using this charts. chart number 14.1 to 14.4 is been used for the different cost of the vehicles, right? In next video lecture I will discuss this another problem that is includes extra speed reduction. So some of the different costs that is calculated in vehicle operations, right? So this is how we have to follow up the steps to calculate this vehicle operating cost, and the charts should be taken on your own. There is no any supply of these charts by college authorities, right? So in next class I will start with then another problem.